We're looking at a 2020 FXLRS Softail Lowrider S in vivid black with the bronze accenting. This one does have the Milwaukee-Eight 114 cubic inch engine, super smooth throttle response, tons of torque. Equipped with mid-mount controls to give a nice nimble feel. Complemented with the Two Brothers Racing exhaust. Gives a nice deep rumble. Up top we do have a beautiful Corbin seat, diamond stitched with a huge lumbar support. Really lock yourself in when you're riding around. Also has an aftermarket rear suspension. Gives tons of lift in the back for a real aggressive ride. Beautiful bronze mag wheels. In the rear we do have the Moon's integrated taillight. Nice bright LED, and it has integrated turn signals. Cleans up that back end. .114 badging on the derby cover. Side gas fill. You get a fuller tank. And we're looking at 1,947 miles on the odometer. Has the dual tachometer speedometer on the dash, and this beautiful Kraus riser setup. Performance machine grips. And in the front we have a Moon's headlight, super bright, and an additional Moon's LED bar you can turn on the button on the side here. Get some extra lighting. Beautiful bronze mag wheel up front. Inverted forks. Give you more confidence when you're taking those deep turns. Let's go ahead and get your cold start.